Asus launched new laptops in 2025 with better performance, improved displays, and upgraded designs. Gamers, professionals, and everyday users all have great options to choose from. In this video, we'll look at 7 standout models, covering their key features and what makes them worth buying. Watch till the end to see which one fits your needs best. Let's look at the first laptop on our list, the Asus Zenbook A14. This ultralight powerhouse stands out with its incredibly light design, weighing just 978 grams thanks to its innovative ceraluminum construction, a special blend of ceramic and aluminum. Housing a Snapdragon X processor with 8 Orion cores and up to 32 gigabytes of RAM, it offers decent performance for everyday tasks, though it falls behind competitors in benchmark tests. The 14-inch OLED display features a 1920 by 1200 pixels resolution with a 60 Hz refresh rate and excellent color accuracy, covering 100% of the sRGB and display P3 color spaces. Starting at $1,099 for the base model with 16 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabyte SSD, it strikes a balance between portability and functionality, though its battery life falls below expectations. The Asus Expertbook B3 is a highly adaptable business laptop designed for mobility and productivity. Powered by up to an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor with Intel vPro and Intel Arca graphics, it offers seamless multitasking with up to 64 gigabytes of memory. Its integrated AI engine enhances workflows with AI-powered noise cancellation, smart transcription tools, and Microsoft Copilot integration. Built for durability, the Expertbook B3 features a lightweight 1.4 kilogram chassis, a 180-degree lay-flat hinge, and military-grade resilience. Enterprise-grade security includes biometric login, a webcam shield, and a trusted platform module for data protection. With a vivid 14-inch or 16-inch display, long battery life, and Wi-Fi 6E or 5G connectivity, this AI-powered laptop ensures smooth performance on the go. Its repair-friendly design and sustainable materials further enhance its appeal for business professionals seeking a future-ready work companion. Third on our list is the Asus Chromebook CZ Series, designed specifically for K-12 students. These 11.6-inch and 12.2-inch laptops come in both clamshell and convertible models, offering durability, flexibility, and long-lasting performance for students learning in and out of the classroom. Built to withstand everyday use, the design includes Gorilla Glass touchscreens, a spill-resistant keyboard, and an all-around rubber bumper for added protection. The 180-degree lay-flat or 360-degree convertible hinge, along with stylus support and a world-facing camera, enhances collaboration and creativity. Powered by the MediaTek Companion 520 processor, the CZ Series delivers up to 19 hours of battery life and seamless multitasking with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Wi-Fi 6 and optional 4G LTE keep students connected, while Asus Antimicrobial Guard and TUV certified eye protection ensure safe, comfortable use. With its modular design for easy maintenance and Chrome education upgrade, the Asus Chromebook CZ Series is an excellent choice for school. The Zenbook S16 is an ultra-thin and powerful Copilot Plus personal computer designed for seamless artificial intelligence-driven performance. It is powered by up to an AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor with a maximum clock speed of 5.1 GHz, 12 cores, and 24 threads, along with an AMD XDNA neural processing unit delivering up to 50 tera operations per second. The 16-inch 3 kilopixel organic light-emitting diode display offers a 120 Hz refresh rate, 1000:1 contrast ratio, and a full 100% DCI P3 color gamut for stunning visuals. The laptop includes up to 32 GB of low-power double data rate, 5 times memory, and up to 2 TB of non-volatile memory, Express 4th generation storage. With a 78 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, Wi-Fi 7, a 6-speaker Harman Kardon system, and a premium ceramic aluminum design, the Zenbook S16 redefines high-performance mobility. The Expertbook B5 is a versatile ultra-portable laptop available in both traditional clamshell and 360-degree convertible designs. Weighing just 1.27 kilograms and measuring 1.79 centimeters thin, its chassis combines aluminum covers with magnesium aluminum alloy around the keyboard. The laptop features a 14-inch full high-definition display with 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution and 400 nits brightness. Powered by up to 13th generation Intel Core, i7 processor with Intel vPro support and Iris Xe graphics, it can accommodate up to 40 GB of DDR5 RAM and dual 2 TB solid-state drives with RAID support. For security, it includes a trusted platform module 2.0 chip, fingerprint sensor, infrared camera, and webcam shield. The laptop offers comprehensive connectivity with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, universal serial bus Type A ports, HDMI 2.1, and Ethernet. With military-grade durability certification and up to 12 hours of battery life, the Expertbook B5 combines portability with enterprise-grade features. The Vivobook Flip series, launched at CES 2025, features 2 convertible laptops, the Vivobook 14 Flip and the Vivobook 16 Flip. Both models are powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 256V processor with 16 GB of integrated, non-replaceable RAM. The 14-inch model sports a 60 Hz OLED display with 1920 by 1200 pixels resolution, while the 16-inch version features an Lumina OLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate and 2880 by 1800 pixels resolution. Both laptops offer comprehensive connectivity including Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2, HDMI 2.1, and a microSD card reader. They support Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. The 14-inch model includes a 70 watt-hour battery, while the 16-inch version has a 75 watt-hour battery, both supporting 65 watt charging. Storage options include 5 12GB and 1 TB variants. Prices start at $899 for the 14-inch model and $1099 for the 16-inch version. To finish off our list, we have the 2025 Zenbook Duo, an innovative dual-screen laptop featuring 2 14-inch 3K OLED displays with 120 Hz refresh rate and 500 nits peak brightness. Starting at $1599, it's powered by up to an Intel Core Ultra 9 285H processor with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5X memory and 1 TB PCIe Generation 4 storage. Its durable military-grade construction weighs 3.8 pounds and measures 12.3 by 8.5 by 0.8 inches. The device includes a detachable keyboard with pogo pin connection and 10-hour battery life. Connectivity features Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, along with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 1 USB 3.2 Type A, and HDMI 2.1. While the new Intel Core Ultra processor brings 20% better CPU performance and improved graphics capabilities. Battery life is shorter than its predecessor, especially when running both displays at 120 Hz refresh rate. That's all for today. The 7 new Asus laptops were launched this year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.